Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. Today, our group is going to present on our group project that is called Auto Car Wash System, and our company name is Spotless. So my group contains 5 people in total. First, we have Faris, Aidil, Taufik, Batusha, and Yasmin Habibah. For our project summary, we are a car washing company that is called Spotless Car Wash, and we have developed a system that is automating and coordinating sales and customer service procedures. By having this automated system, our new and existing customers can choose from a variety of car models and car wash packages that we have included. Other than that, they can also obtain the current estimates that they need to pay, as we took into account the applicable vouchers and tax. For the comfort of customers, we also have provided methods of payment such as credit cards, debit cards, and also e-wallet. Our service also have a daily and weekly reports that tracks the number of vehicles that has been sold, the accumulated profits, and also services. As this information, it is an essential for our decision making in the future. Our system also offers a fully automated management approach for the maintenance of our car washing service and to improve our customer satisfaction and our business growth and operational efficiency. In addition, we have also added 2 languages in English and Malay, and user can choose between either those two. So for our objective, we have 5 in total. The first one is automate sales management. It is to quicken the process of customers, and it is a system that efficiently handles customer interaction as it decreases human interaction, and it can lower the human mistakes as it increases the accuracy. The second one is detailed sales report. Our system will issue a report each week, and this report includes information such as total sales, profitability, and the number of clean cars so that research and choice making can be accomplished. So the third one is verify user inputs. It is to ensure that the package code and car type that were entered by the customer are correct to maintain the data integrity. If there's any error, it will display the entry is incorrect. The fourth one is use discounts and promotion. It is to attract new businesses as we maintain current customers by providing discount for the first-time customer and also voucher holders. The last one is offer a range of payment option. We have a range of payment option to make it more convenient for our customer. And the payments option are credit card, debit card, and also e-wallet. So for our project analysis, for the input, process, and output, we have variables such as role, language, customer name, and number plate. So for the role variable, we can input either 1 or 2, and the process will be check role, and the output will be admin access for the input value 1, customer access for the input value 2. And for the variable language, we can input also 1 or 2, and it will prompt for language selection as the user select. The first one, it will output the English language, and the second one will output Malay language. And for customer name, we can input any kind of string, and then the process will collect customer details and output customer details that has been collected. And it also the same for number plate. We can also put any kind of string, and it will collect the customer details, and also it will output the customer details that has been entered. Next slide, for the variable car type, we can input value 4 of these characters, such as C, S, P, and T. C is for car, S is for SUV, P is for pickups, and T is for truck. And the process will verify car type validity and it will output whether our input are valid or invalid. Also the same for the package code, we have our own table, and user can input based from our table whether C01, C02, and etc. The process will also verify whether the input that was entered are valid or not, and it will output it is valid or invalid package code. For the payment method, we can input value on either 1, 2, 3, or 4, and it will process from for payment method. So the output will output payment method selected or cancelled, as 1, 2, 3 is the payment method, credit cards, debit cards, and e-wallet, and 4 input value are for cancel. For tire wax, vacuum, first time service, and voucher, we can input value either Y or N, as in yes or no. The user can choose. And for the tire wax and vacuum, it is an additional service. So for the tire wax and vacuum, it is an additional service. So it will prompt either the user want to add the service or not. And for the first time service, it will prompt first time service ability, whether the based from the user input, and also it will output based from the user response. And for the voucher, also it will process for the voucher ability, and also output based from the response from the user.
So for input variable, here we have repeat process. And for input value we have Y or N. So for process, if check if another car is to be process loop. If yes, so the output will be shown process another car or N program. If it's yes, no. So for process number 2, display welcome message and catalog. For the output will be shown welcome message and catalog. And calculate base price based on package code for the process, and for the output base price and calculation. And for process number 4, calculate additional service price, and for the output will be shown additional service price calculation. And same goes to process, apply first time discount if applicable, and output will be shown first time discount calculation. And also for process, apply voucher discount if applicable, and output will be shown voucher discount calculation. And last, for process, calculate total price after discount, and the output is price after discount calculation. And for page number 8, the input variable also repeat process, and the input value is still Y and N. So process here, calculate SST tax, and the output will be shown SST amount calculation. And number 2, calculate final total price for the process, and the output will be shown total price including SST. And for process number 3, update daily sales and car counts, and for output, update daily sales and car counts. And number 4, process will show display thank you message, and output will show thank you message. And lastly, for admin access, display weekly sales report, total car wash and total sales, and the output will show weekly sales report.
So this is our flowchart for this program. First, get input, and then display enter customer name. After customer enter their name, the program will continue read customer name, and then display enter your number plate. After customer enter their number plate, the program will read number plate, and then continue display enter your car type, which is C for car, S for SUV, P for pickup, and T for truck. After that, we'll continue read car type, and then display enter package code. After customer enter their package code, the program will read package code. After that, display do you want additional service, yes or no, and then continue read response. After that, display do you have a voucher, yes or no, and then the program will read user response voucher, And then continue display, are you a first time buyer? Yes or no? And then read first time buyer and then return. So for the calculate price, the flowchart was calculate price and then if car type equal to C, if customer choose yes, the program will display enter your package type C401. C01 is basic, for C02 is premium, for C03 is deluxe. So if package code equal to C01, the price is RM15 ringgit. If no, if package code is equal to C02, the price is RM25 ringgit. But if package code equals to C03, the price is RM35 ringgit. And then return. So if car type equal to C, but customer say no, and then we'll continue. If car type is equal to S, then customer say yes. The program will continue display enter your package type S01 for basic, S02 for premium, and S03 for deluxe. So after that, continue. If package code equals to S01 and the customer say yes, respond yes, the price is RM20 ringgit. But if customer say no, if package code equals to S02, and after that, after customer say yes, the price is RM30 ringgit for S02. So if customer say no, then it was if package code equals to S03 and yes, the price is RM40 ringgit, and then return. So if car type equals to S, no, customer say no, then continue to if car type equals to P. If yes, then the program will display enter your package type P01 for basic, P02 for premium, and P03 for deluxe. And then continue if package code equals to P01. If yes, the price is RM25 ringgit. If customer respond no, then continue if package code equals to P02. And if yes, the price is RM35 ringgit. If customer say no for P01, for P02, then continue if package code equals to P03. And if yes, the price RM45 ringgit, and then return. And for if car type equals to P is no, and then continue if car type equals to T. And after customer say yes, the program will display enter your package type, which is T01 for basic, T02 for premium, and T03 for deluxe. And then continue if package code equals to T01, and if yes, the price is RM30 ringgit. And if no, then if package code equals T02, And after customer respond yes, the price is RM45 ringgit. If no, if package code equals to T03 and customer say yes, the price is RM30 ringgit, and then return. So after that, the program will continue if first time buyer equals to uh, equals capital Y, or first time buyer equals to small letter y, and if yes, total price equals to price minus price multiple to 0 multiple to 0.15 0.15, sorry. And if no, the program will continue display you don't get a discount. So continue if membership buyer equal to capital Y, or membership buyer equal to small letter y. If yes, total price equals to price minus price multiple 0.20, and if no, the program will display you don't get a discount. After that, the program will continue if mem equal to small letter y. If yes, the total price equals to price minus price multiple to 0.20, and if no, the program will display you don't get a discount. And then continue SST rate equals to price multiple to 0.08, total price equals to price plus SST rate, and then return.
For the flowchart for the function to calculate the total price after discounts and SST, first, user will input the total. So for the flowchart for function to calculate the total price after discount and SST, we will use the calculate total price based from the user input, and then it will continue to decision making by the user input. If user enter Y, it will continue to discount. If user enter Y for the first time respond, it will continue to discount plus package price multiplied by the first time discount, and it will output first time discount and the total in RM. And continue also, if the user response for user response voucher is Y, it will also calculate discount plus package price minus discount and multiply by the voucher discount, and it will output voucher discount in RM. And then continue the total price. It will calculate the total price, package price minus discount plus additional service price. It will continue to calculate total price after tax, that is equal to total price plus tax, and tax is equal to total price multiplied by SST rate, and it will output the SST amount in RM, and then it will also output price after discount in RM, and then it will end. For the next one, we have flowchart for the function to print the receipt. So based from the calculate total price, the system will read customer name, number plate, package code, package price, additional service price, discount, total price, and total price after tax that has been input by the user. And it will output the display option receipt if by the language choice. So if language 1, it will output in English, and if in language 2, it will output in Malay. And the system will end by then.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Taufik and I will present to you guys about our flowchart. The full flowchart. First, as we know, we need to start the flowchart, and then we will make a declaration, constant double prices. First, we need to declare car packages 15, 25 and 35. And next, we need to declare SUV packages 20, 30 and 40. And next, we need to declare pickup packages 25, 35 and 45. And last, we need to declare the truck packages 30, 45 and 60. And then they will declare double calculate total price, which is the function. And then they will make another declaration. First string, customer name, package code and number plate. And then they will declare char, repeat, car type and user response voucher. And then they will declare integer, rating, payment method, and another integer, counter is equal to 0. And next, they will declare double total sales is equal to 0. And then double weekly sales is equal to 0, which is sales for each day of the week. And next, they will declare double profits is equal to 0, which is profits for each day of the week. And next, they will declare integer car counts is equal to 0, which is number of cars per day. And last, they will declare integer is equal to 0, which is the current day of the week. And then they will make an input, display, press any key to continue, which is the user need to tap any key on keyboard to start a program. And then they will make another input, display select rule, 1 for admin and 2 for customer. And then the program will read role choice. If role choice is equal to 1, and then they will display admin access granted, displaying weekly sales report. They will calculate the total cars, sales and profit from day 1 until day 7. And then they will display total cars watch and total sales. And then they will end the program, the flowchart. If row choice is equal to 2, and then they will make another input, display customer access granted. Then the user need to select the language, 1 for English and 2 for Malay. And then the system will read language choice. If language choice is equal to 1, then the flowchart will display the language. Flowchart will display the language is English. And if language choice is equal to 2, the flowchart will display the Malay. Now I will choose to present for the flowchart in Malay. And next they will input display masukkan nama pelanggan, and then they will display masukkan nombor plate anda. And then they will display masukkan jenis kereta, which is C for kereta, S for SUV, P for pickup, and T for truck. And then the system will read customer name, read the number plate and the car type. If the user if car type is not equal to C and car type is not equal to S and car type not equal to P and car type is not equal to T, then they'll make an output display jenis kereta tidak sah, and then they will end the flowchart. If it's else, they will make another input display masukkan code package, and then the system will read package code. If it's not valid package code, and then the program will make an output display invalid package code, and then they will end the flowchart. And if it's a valid package code, and then they will display pilih kaedah pembayaran anda, 1 untuk e-wallet, 2 untuk kad debit, 3 untuk kad kredit, dan 4 untuk batal. And then the program and then the system will read payment method. If payment method is equal to 4, then they will make an output display transaksi dibatalkan, terima kasih atas kunjungan anda, and then they will end the flowchart. And if its payment method is not equal to 4, then they will display adakah anda mahu wax tayar, ya atau tak, and then they will display adakah anda mahu vacuum, ya atau tak, and then the system will read wax response and vacuum response, and then they will go to another selection. If wax response is equal to Y capital letter and or wax response Y small letter, and then the additional price service will add to the price, and then to make a function double calculate total price. If wax response is equal to not, and then they will display adakah ini kali pertama anda menggunakan kami, yes or no, and then the system will read first time response. And we'll go to another selection. If first time response is equal to Y capital letter and Y small letter, and then the discount plus package price, and then will calculate the first time discount, and then we go to function double calculate total price, and we go to another input display adakah anda mempunyai voucher, ya or tidak, and then the system will read user response voucher, if user response voucher is equal to y, then they will calculate discount plus equal package price minus discount, voucher discount. And then we go to another function, double calculate total price. And then they will go to void print receipt. Then we go to another input, display adakah anda mahu membuat pesanan untuk kereta lain, ya atau tidak. And then we'll go to another selection, while repeat is equal to y, capital letter and small letter. It will display terima kasih atas kunjungan anda and semoga hari anda menyenangkan. And next we go to another design algorithm, which is pseudocode. As you know, we need to start our pseudocode, and then we need to declare constant membership discount is equal to 0.20. Then they will declare another constant, first time discount is equal to 0.15, and then SST rate is equal to 0.08, and then voucher discount is equal to 0.20, and tire wet price is equal to 5, and vacuum price is equal to 10. And then we need to make another declaration, which is declare package prices and codes arrays. Prices 15, 25, 35, 20, 30, 40, 25, 35, 45, 30, 45, and 60. Meanwhile, the packages code is C01, C02, C03, S01, S02, S03, P01, P02, P03, and then we'll make a function to calculate total price, which is the system need to calculate the price that user the input, the FP input. Function calculate total price, package price, user response voucher, first time response, additional service price, and this discount equal to 0. If first time response is y, capital letter, or y, small letter, discount plus equal package price times first time discount. Print first time discount is RM package price times first time discount. If user response voucher is equal to y, y capital letter or y small letter, discount plus equal package price minus discount times voucher discount. Then they will print voucher discount RM package price minus discount times voucher discount. Total price equal package price minus discount plus additional service price. Then they will print price after discount RM total price. That's equal, and then they will calculate tax. Tax is equal to total price multiplied by SST rate, and then total price after tax equal to total price plus tax. And then they will print the SST amount is RM tax, and they will return total price discount, total price after tax, and then they will end the function of the calculate total price. And then we go to another function to print a receipt. Function print receipt, customer name, number plate, package code, package price, additional service price, discount, total price after tax, language choice. If language choice is 1, and then they will print official receipt with details in English. Else, they will print receipt resmi with details in Malay, and then they will end the function to print receipt.
Hi, my name is Farid Silmi, and I am presenting the source code of our program. First, let's look at the constant used in our program. First, we declared membership discount as 20%, first-time customer discount at 15%, SST rate for 8%, voucher discount 20%, value wax price for 5 ringgit, vacuum price for 10 ringgit. In our car service program, we use arrays to store enterprise and codes of various service packages. Our system has two functions. The calculate total price calculates the total price of the service packages after applying discount and adding SSD. The calculate total price function takes the following parameters such as package price, user rest voucher, first time rest, additional service price, discount, total price after tax. The print receipt function takes the following parameters: custom name, nameplate, package code, package price, additional service price, discount, total price after tax, and language choice. If language choice is 1, the receipt is printed in English, and if the language choice is 2, the receipt will be printed in Malay. This part is where we calculate the cost for any additional services the customer chooses, like tidy wax and vacuum. Next, we calculate the total price including discount and tax. The calculate total price function computes the total price after applying any discount and adding SSD. Then, we show the total price to the user. The receipt is printed using the print receipt functions. Then, we update sales statistics, tracking daily sales and car counts. The program then asks if the user wants to place another order. If the user response is not Y and not N, our system will display invalid response and terminate the program. Finally, if the user doesn't want to place any other order, we thank them and end the program. So, here are the sample of output. When the user enters 2, our system will ask them to select language, enter name, number plate, car type, package code, and payment method. Our system will also ask them if they would like tire wax and vacuum. And our system will also ask them if they are a first-time user or they have a discount. Then, our system will show voucher discount, price after discount, SSD amount, and total price. The next one is cancel transaction. When the user enters 4 at payment method, our system will cancel their order and terminate the program.